Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your logo to Calendly. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and upload your logo. Maybe you want to make their call signups be a bit more branded to your brand. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first what we're going to do is that we're going to go ahead and click on the upper right hand corner, your profile icon. Then we're going to go ahead and click on branding. Now, once you're on this page here, you're going to see this section here called logo, which is your company branding will appear at the top left corner of the scheduling page. You can have this apply to all users. Click on upload image and then find your logo and go ahead and upload it. Once you do so, your branding will appear on all the scheduling pages of Calendly. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually upload your logo, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.